Okay. Good afternoon to all. So welcome to the 51st. Welcome to the 51st lecture. Welcome to the 51st lecture on management science subject. So we are dealing unit 3. So we came to an end of this first part. So in the next 50 seconds lecture will be your marketing management. So we'll complete this one in this session. So we'll switch on parallel to the next lecture. Okay. So now we discuss the time rate and piece rate systems in detail. What are the various types and what are the examples based upon the methods. So in the last class, we have discussed about the introduction of this wages, types of wages, types of wage payments. Okay. So in this class, we'll go in detail. So as you all know that what is the meaning of wage payment? So for what purpose we are going for the wages? What is the main purpose of the wage payment? To provide the salary or wages to the person in a systematic method of the payment to ensure that employees receive a good wages and or salaries for the work what they are performing in the company. So the difference between the time wage and the wage rate. So this is done by the day wage system. This is done by the payment by result. Payment by result ante for example మీ ఇంట్లో పని మనిషి ఉన్నారనుకోండి. సో ఫస్ట్ విల్ ఆస్క్ టు ద వర్క్, రైట్? సో మంత్ అంతా అయిన తర్వాత విల్ పే ద అమౌంట్, రైట్? In other cases, for example, if you want to do any online shopping or if you want to do any things to do, first they will ask the money, later you will get the product. That is other case. That is not the time wage. That is not time wage. That is not piece wage. That is other doing of the business that comes in the marketing management. Okay. Okay. As earlier, so how many of you understood what is the meaning of case study and simulation exercises? Simulation exercises. So we are having a real-time study, virtual study, augmented study, like that, right? So how many of you understood this concepts? Okay, so this is done in a 3D software. It may be done in civil software or may be done in a mechanical software also. So if you want to learn any civil packages, so you can move on to the 3ds Max, BIM, business information management, and you can go with other types of software, Revit, for the civil engineering students. Okay. So any clarification on any information regarding this one? Anyone want to talk, or you can chat with me? Anyone want to share any experiences? Any students from this group? So అప్పుడప్పుడు నేను చెప్తుంటాను, రిమైండ్ చేస్తుంటాను, you are having 2 classes in this day. We'll keep at 2:15 at 2:55 this class will end by 3:10 or 3 o'clock. We can continue the class. Okay. So anyone to talk in this class to discuss about this softwares? Any students, anyone want to discuss about the softwares or how to do this real-time projects? So this is a project done for Bangalore apartment. So this is a project done for Bangalore apartment. These are some of the miniature works. These are some of the miniature work where we can do with acrylic sheets. So these are all the acrylic glass sheet. These are all the color sheets where we are doing, right? So this one is this compressed styrofoam materials. Compressed styrofoam materials. So these are made with compressed styrofoam materials and other materials, right? So so your third year. So okay, the next year, if you are having a chance to showcase or to elevate or to display some of the items related to the civil project things, you can show in your college day or your annual day celebrations also. Okay, right? Anyone want to discuss? Anyone want to share any information? You can unlock your mic and you can talk to me. Anyone in this group? Total 8 students were present. Anyone in this group share their knowledge or views?
అది ఆటోకాడ్ లోనా లేకపోతే వేరే దానిలోనా సార్ డ్రా చేసేది?
AutoCAD is a software only for drawing 2D drafting మాత్రమే. So in AutoCAD, you are having 3D software also, but in the 3D software, you cannot get this type of rendering. So this is a software we can do in 3ds Max. We can do in 3ds Max or Maya, M-A-Y-A, or 3ds Max or Revit software. So the civil engineer can learn, architecture people can learn, and mechanical people can learn this stuff. Any person who is a graduate who knows some basics of engineering principles can learn this type of drawings. So
సార్ అది ఓన్గా నేర్చుకోవచ్చా క్లాసెస్?
No, definitely you have to learn some tutor. So I have learned not from a separate institution. So I have learned this software from a person who is working for films in Hyderabad. So he is working for VFX films. So real-time VFX films. Those have done many projects in Telugu and Tamil movies. All the movies are coming with the 3D packages only. So whatever the animation you are seeing, that is everything is done with the. I will show one video in this PPT so that you can see what softwares, what I have used in this video as well as image. So you are having rendering. First, we are calling them as polygonal modeling. So once the polygonal model is coming to a shape, then we have to go some skeleton system. So for example, if a 3D model is moving, if you see any 3D movies, if a 3D a human being or a devil or a monster is moving, inside whatever we are having, మనకి ఎలాగైతే skeleton system లోపల ఉంటుందో, for a figures that 3D bodies also you are having a 3D skeleton. లోపల ఒక 3D skeleton ఉంటుంది. So we have to move every object and we have to go for rendering. Rendering means if you see your 3D your video games also, 3D video games. So you are standing with a gun, you are moving forward, you are hunting all the devils or monsters. You are peeping into other rooms, going into room, step, staircase like this. ఎలా జరుగుతుంది this one? So you are having a wire. So మీరు starting నుండి ending వరకు where you have to travel in the house or maybe in the forest or maybe some other place. So you have to make a wire in that. So after making a wire of direction, ఇలా వెళ్ళాలి తర్వాత బయటికి రావాలి. So after making a wire, for that wire you have to attach a small camera, video camera, which is inbuilt software in any Revit or Maya or any 3ds Max. Once you have to show the camera direction, orientation is one thing, position is other thing. Orientation అనేది అది ఒకటైతే position is other thing. So what is the meaning of position and orientation? Anyone in the group? Anyone, you can open your mic and talk. Orientation అంటే ఏంటి, position అంటే ఏంటి? No idea? Someone is giving through WhatsApp, through message. Orientation, rotation. So it's saying rotation. So rotation is not correct. Orientation means, first we have to know about position. Position means you are standing at one position. Means you are, for example, you are having north, west, east and south. So you are standing in the east position. అంటే మీరు ఈస్ట్ ఫేస్ చూస్తూ నుంచున్నారు. And you are orienting your head towards north. Then what's the meaning there? You are standing, మీ బాడీ మొత్తము ఫ్రంట్ బాడీ సైడ్ అంతా ఫేసింగ్ టువర్డ్స్ ద ఈస్ట్ పొజిషన్, బట్ యువర్ హెడ్ ఈస్ టిల్టింగ్ టువర్డ్స్ ద రైట్ సైడ్. సో దట్ రైట్ సైడ్ మీకు ఏం కనిపిస్తుంది? ఇఫ్ దట్ ఇస్ ఫ్రంట్ మీకు ఈస్ట్ ఉంటే రైట్ సైడ్ ఏం కనిపిస్తుంది? రైట్ సైడ్ ఇస్ యువర్ సౌత్. సో యు ఆర్ ఓరియంటింగ్ యువర్ ఫేస్ టువర్డ్స్ ద సౌత్. సో దట్ ఇస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ పొజిషన్ అండ్ ఓరియంటేషన్. అర్థమైంది కదా? Position means the place where you are standing or the place where the object is lying, and orientation means where the target is showing. That's why if you move slow, if you see any big AK-47, so gun oka position lo pettukuntadu, but he's seeing the orientation through a small eyeball. In that small gap he will see where to shoot. That is orientation. In this also, once the camera is attached to the wire, and you have to move this camera, depends upon the timing. అది మీకు ఒక వీడియోలో చూపిస్తాను. సో దట్ కెన్ once again, sorry, wait one time. Okay, once I'll take a whiteboard. So if you see here, so for example, if your camera is like this, so if your wire, so మీరు ఇల్లు అనుకుందాం, ఇంటి లోపల ఎంట్రన్స్ లో ఇలా వెళ్ళారు, ఇలా వచ్చారు, ఇలా మూవ్ అయ్యారు, ఇలా వెళ్ళారు, సో ఫైనల్ గా ఇలా వచ్చారు, మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ నుంచి అగైన్ ఎగ్జిట్ అవుట్ సైడ్. So you have to keep a camera like this. You have to keep a camera and you have to focus your camera like this. Okay. So I think the video is sharing you. So ఇలా వెళ్తున్నప్పుడు you have to make the timings also. Whenever a camera is moving like this, so ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి రావంగానే ఇది ఫాస్ట్ గా వచ్చారా, స్లోగా వచ్చారా, you have to make ప్రతిదానికి you have some frames. In the movies also, how you are having 24 frames, here also you are having the frames. సో లైక్ దిస్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు కీప్ ఆన్ మూవింగ్ దిస్ కెమెరా స్లోలీ. ఇక్కడ స్లోగా వెళ్ళాలి, టర్నింగ్స్ దగ్గర స్లో వెళ్ళాలి, స్ట్రైట్గా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఫాస్ట్ వెళ్ళాలి, ఇక్కడ కొంచెంసేపు వెయిట్ చేయాలి, కెమెరా వెతకాలి సమ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ని, మళ్ళీ మూవ్ అవ్వాలి. సో ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ మేకింగ్ అండ్ డౌన్ అదర్ సైడ్ యూ కెన్ సీ టైమర్. సో టైమింగ్ సెట్ చేసుకుంటూ ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ మూవింగ్ దిస్ కెమెరా, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దిస్ హ్యాస్ టు మూవ్ కంప్లీట్లీ విత్ ఇన్ 1 minute, అంటే 50-60 seconds the camera has to come out. So for that, once you have done and you are checking rehearsals, moving forward, checking forward, playing back, playing forward. So once it is done finally, then you have to go for rendering. Rendering means మీరు any file upload చేశారనుకోండి Gmail లో. So once what it takes, first it will upload it. Upload చేయడానికి టైం తీసుకుంటుంది, తర్వాత సెండ్ చేయడానికి టైం తీసుకుంటుంది. In the same way, for rendering also it takes minimum time. But if you are doing at high rendering, quality మంచిగా రావాలంటే you have to go for high rendering. For that rendering, you require not your normal laptops. Your laptops should be having high end data graphic cards. మంచి గ్రాఫిక్ కార్డ్ ఉండాలి, మంచి ర్యామ్ ఉండాలి, మంచి స్టోరేజ్ కెపాసిటీ ఉండాలి. That's why your rendering videos will be high end. That's why if you see your Indian movies or foreign movies, the animation movies or 3D model movies, totally different గా కనిపిస్తుంది the perspective, whatever the VFX, whatever the Photoshop, the matte painting, totally different from Indian context. That is the camera angles and also the quality. So for this rendering also, it will take much time. That's why if you see the animated movies, the cost is very high when compared to normal movies. అర్థమవుతుందా? Right or wrong? So that's why the cost of these animated movies are very high. For example, if you see the latest movie, The Lion King, రీసెంట్ గా 2 movies టీవీలో కూడా వేశారు కోవిడ్ టైంలో. లయన్ కింగ్, వేర్ ద లైన్ ఇస్ all the total film is of lion, the cub. The cost of that, but the movie is $7,000 million. 7,000 more than what do you say, 700 crores, right? You see the Avatar movie also 2,000 crores, like that. Why? Because the rendering takes the cost. So if you see here, I think everyone is watching, right? Okay, raise your hand or just make yes or no. So here, if you see, I have designed this one. So if you zoom out this figure and zoom out cheste, this one is a globe. So this one is a sky. See here, you are seeing the birds flying here, right? So if I zoom out, ఒక పెద్ద సర్కిల్ కి I have fixed this image to this globe. అంటే ఒక గ్లోబ్, ఒక సర్కిల్ తీసుకొని ఆ సర్కిల్ కి నేను ఈ స్కై అనే ఇమేజ్ నేను ఇక్కడ దీని మీద అటాచ్ చేశాను. వన్స్ ఐఎమ్ జూమింగ్ ఇన్, లోపలికి జూమ్ చేసినప్పుడు యూ కెన్ సీ దిస్ పాలిగన్ ప్లేట్. దిస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ పాలిగన్స్. దిస్ ఎ బిల్డింగ్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ న్యాచురల్ స్కై ఇమేజ్, ఒరిజినల్ స్కై ఇమేజ్ ఫోటోస్ తీసుకొని ఆ ఫోటోని దీనికి నేను మ్యాచ్ చేశాను. Now you can see layers of this. It is not a simple figure. It is a layers figure. So this is one layer. This is one layer. This tree is one other layer, right? This ground is other layer. So like this, you're having different layers. So this one also you can see. For example, if you are doing one model, that's why in animation movies or if you see in Bahubali also, the soldiers, oka soldier తయారు చేస్తే చాలు. So just copy paste. You can make number of soldiers at a time. So I have made this the neck of a human torso అంటారు దీన్ని. The human neck torso ఒకటి చేసి దాన్ని మనం ఎన్నైనా మల్టిపుల్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో దట్స్ వై ఒకటి చేసి నేను మల్టిపుల్ గా అరేంజ్ చేసుకుంటూ డిఫరెంట్ కలర్స్ ఇచ్చి I have an arrangement. This you can reduce the time. But for real making cheyalante, real making, if you are to do the real making, it is very, very difficult, right? So it is very, very difficult. So ఇప్పుడు మీకు this building is same, this building is same. This administrative building, this is two departments building, that is CSC and EEE building, this is mechanical and civil building అనుకుంటే these two are same, this is separate. బట్ ఇక రియల్ టైంలో చేస్తున్నప్పుడు దీన్ని చేయాలి, అదే పనిగా దీన్ని చేయాలి, కాపీ పేస్ట్ నేను చేయలేము, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ యూ హావ్ టు డూ. So this took I said this took around 3 months for me to complete this task. This is also a demandable business what you can, the civil engineers or architecture people will do. So in the 2009 2018, yeah, 2018 19 we have done a project that is based in Hyderabad. Total SBI, State Bank of India, total Andhra Telangana, we are having a big, only big branch, a big centralized bank in near Gachibowli area. Gachibowli, opposite to Hyderabad Central University. You can see State Bank of India. The total servers, Andhra Telangana servers anta akkade untundi. So we have made the building just as prototype. We have made a customized, these are called miniature works, miniature building chesi we have given, that costs around 3.5 lakh, right? So that these are the things which we can do commercial. This is the things which we can do in softwares. Still anything to share? Okay, we'll move some topics. If you want anything, you can talk to me, no issues. So the time rate system, the piece rate system, the combination of time and piece, and the premium bonus method. We'll discuss this with an example. Now on the time rate system, the workers are paid on the basis of time spent in the factory. The workers are paid the salary, whatever the time spent in the factory. No consideration is given to the number of units produced. మీరు ఆ ఒక్క ఉన్న 8 hours 10 products చేశారా, 5 products చేశారా, they will not consider. They will see how many hours you have spent in the factory. So దీనిలో disadvantages కూడా ఉన్నాయి, right? So how many hours you have spent in the factory. Then for this, the formula wages is equals to time spent in hours or days or weeks or months, whatever it may be, time spent into rate per hour or rate per day. అంటే ఒక రోజుకి ఎంత ఇస్తారు, ఒక అవర్కి ఎంత ఇస్తారు, 1 week ఎంత ఇస్తారు, 1 monthకి ఎంత ఇస్తారు. So guys, I want to say something. So the rate per hour, this is the demandable thing. So if anyone want to do any freelance works to earn money while you are in student age, so other many of the students, those who are living in urban areas or in metropolitan cities, Bombay, Chennai, Hyderabad, whatever the cities, so they are earning while they are studying. How? Digital marketing. So the hour, for example, whatever the animation pics have shown, so in foreign countries, the technicians will do hourly basis work. So if anyone want to go MS to study MS in foreign, so while studying you can do some job also. That is a not a rule, that is the thing what every student is doing. So ఎవరన్నా బాగా సౌండ్ పార్టీ వెళ్ళారనుకోండి, there is no need of doing the earning other part-time jobs. So those who want to do, you can do, but there for week per week you have to work for so many hours. There is a rule. So more than that you should not work, right? So like that. So per hour basis means, so whatever the figures I have shown, this one, the 3D virtual figures, right? So for videos also, for 1 hour they will pay $150 to $200. So for 1 hour, what is the meaning? For $200 means approximately, and coming to the Indian currency, so it takes around 70 rupees, $200. How much you are getting for one hour payment? So that is a demand for this softwares. But in India also, they are giving for hourly basis, or for 1 minute run also they will do. For 1 minute video running also, they will give huge amount, right? So for example, if you are getting $150, so approximately you are getting 10,000 rupees, 10,000 change you are getting for 1 hour. సరిపోతుందా మీకు ఇండియన్ కరెన్సీకి? రైట్ ఆర్ రాంగ్? So you can learn first through tutor or in any institution. Second, you can learn, you have to learn on your own. Why? Because in this creative field, no one will give the do like that or do like this or create something. So you have to create your own experience. For example, if you see in the film industry also, if you see the workmanship of a cameraman, DOP, director of photography. So director just he will say shoot like this or go like this or move like this, zoom like this, like this, like this. But the total creativity is in the hands of DOP. That is the photography, the camera person. So that's why if you see the movie, what is that movie? The Bahubali or this Rangasthalam Ratnaveli, the Tamil person Ratnaveli is the person for this photography, these movies. So the photography makes the magic. So through experience also you have to learn something and you have to make some good stuff in that. That's why some in majority in movie industries and some sort of this media, some people will not teach all the things. Why? Because they have to keep some sort of secrets. That's why if you see A.R. Rahman musical play, your DSP musical play, so they have some magic in their music, right? సో దట్స్ వై కొన్ని నేర్చుకోవడానికి సొంతంగా నేర్చుకోవాలి, కొన్ని మీరు ఎవరి దగ్గర గురువు దగ్గర నేర్చుకొని దెన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు షో యువర్ టాలెంట్. జస్ట్ లైక్ under Ilayaraja, how many musicians have been came up? Many musicians came from Ilayaraja. Ilayaraja as a guru. Many of the students have trained under Ilayaraja and they have success in their film industry, right? Okay, so the rate per hour into time spent. So 8 hours అనుకుంటే ఇక్కడ 80 rupees అనుకుంటే 8 into 80 rupees. So for example, if you see a worker is paid 80 rupees per day. Per day the worker is paying 80 rupees. He has worked for 22 days. ఒక month లో 22 days మాత్రమే పని చేశాడు. Then what is the payment he is getting? 22 days into 80 rupees, that is 1760 rupees. ఇలా calculate చేస్తారు in this time rate system. Got it? Second one. So then what are the advantages here? Simple to understand, very simple to understand. Every person will do outside also. Calculation of wages is very easy. Quality of output is maintained. Then what are the disadvantages here? No distinction is made between the slow and efficient workers. అంటే గుడ్ వర్కర్ కి బ్యాడ్ వర్కర్ కి తేడా తెలియదు, అంతే కదా. A person is staying for 8 hours sitting idle or time passing and a person is doing some work, efficient work, then there is no distinction. అక్కడ వాళ్ళు they will not compare, they will see only the manpower. 10 members ఈ రోజు వచ్చారా, 10 members okay. Next day 16 వచ్చారా, 16 okay. Next, no incentives or extra production. No incentives are given for other extra production. So you have to stay for that limited time only. Workers may work slowly so as to earn overtime wages. So ఏం చేస్తారు వీళ్ళు? సో ఒక ప్రాజెక్ట్ 10 days అనుకుంటే 13 days చేశారనుకోండి, 3 days కంపెనీకి లాస్. బట్ 3 days ఎందుకు లాస్ జరుగుతుంది? సో ద వర్కర్స్ వాళ్ళు కావాలని, అంటే ఒక డే ఎక్స్ట్రా ఉండాలనుకోండి, 8 hours ఎక్స్ట్రా ఉంటే 80 rupees పర్ డేకి వచ్చింది అనుకుందాం. సో 8 hours అవర్కి 80 rupees అనుకుంటే 3 days ఎక్స్ట్రా ఉంది అనుకుంటే విల్ టేక్ 8 3 24 hours, 24 into 80 rupees. సో ద వర్కర్స్ ఈవెన్ దో దే ఆర్ ఎఫిషియంట్, కావాలని మెల్లిగా ప్రాజెక్ట్ని ప్రొలాంగ్ చేయడానికి they will work slowly so that they will get overtime wages. That is a disadvantage in this time rate system, right? Next, the time rate system has the following 4 variations. In the local, see the flat rate. Last class, the flat rate. This work under this method, the workers paid a flat rate on the basis of time spent in the factory. Therefore, wages is equals to time worked into flat rate. Example, the flat hourly rate is 10 rupees and a worker is working for 8 hours on a particular day, his wages for the particular day will be 80 rupees. అర్థమైందా? సింపుల్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్. 8 hours into 10 rupees, 80 rupees. మరి ఇందాక ఇది కూడా సేమ్, అదే ఇది కూడా సేమ్ కదా సార్ అంటారు. బట్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద జనరల్ థింగ్. ఇందులోపల వేరియేషన్స్ వచ్చేసి యు ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ దిస్ వేరియేషన్, రైట్? సో ఇక్కడ వేరియేషన్ తీసుకుంటే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇఫ్ యు సీ మార్నింగ్ కంపెనీకి 9 to 11 వచ్చి, దట్ ఈస్ 9 to 11 ఒక టైం అనుకుంటాం, రైట్? తర్వాత 2 to 3 అదర్ టైమింగ్స్ అనుకున్నాం. తర్వాత 5 to 7 ఒక టైం అనుకున్నాం. సో దిస్ ఆర్ ద 3 టైమింగ్స్ ఇన్ ద కంపెనీ. సో 2 hours, 2 hours, 3 hours, 3 hours like this, total 8 hours. సో ఫస్ట్ 9 to 11 త్వరగా వచ్చి చేశారనుకోండి, ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసరికి మీకు ఒక రేట్ ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ ఒక రేట్ ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ ఒక రేట్ ఉంటుంది. అప్పుడు ఏం జరుగుతుంది, 10 రూపీస్ అనేది చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇఫ్ యూ okay, I will say some example, that is some one restaurant everywhere in the cities you can see, the Guntur, Vijayawada, Hyderabad. If you see the restaurant name Barbecue Nation, BBQ Nation, so akkada enti concept. So if you go and sit early hour, early bird antaru, early bird means పక్షి తన గూటికి ఎర్లీగా వస్తే ఏంటి, లేట్గా వస్తే ఏంటి. ఎర్లీగా వస్తే ఏంటి, ఫుడ్ బాగా దొరుకుతుంది, లేట్గా వస్తే ఏంటి, ఫుడ్ దొరకదు. ఆ కాన్సెప్ట్ మీద ఎర్లీ బర్డ్ రిజిస్ట్రేషన్స్ అంటారు. So online also you can reserve, or you can make a phone call and you can book a seat. So if you see the here heard the name Barbecue Nation, there generally dinner ఎప్పుడు చేస్తారు? So generally anyone dinner ఎప్పుడు చేస్తారు? Everyday dinner ఎప్పుడు చేస్తారు జనరల్ గా? Anyone in the group? Just open up, just talk to me. ఎప్పుడు చేస్తారు? 7 members ఉన్నారు క్లాస్ లో. 8, 7:30, 8 o'clock, 9:30, 10 o'clock. So different person, different times, right? So in the Barbecue Nation, so general other restaurants lo eppudu veltaru meeru? If you want to go to any restaurant and want to have a dinner in a hotel, you will go around after 8:30 or 9, right or wrong? But in this Barbecue Nation, if the person is going and sitting in the early time, that is 7 o'clock or before 7:15 అంటాడు, those who are coming before 7:15, your plate meals, your plate buffet system is total amount for veg is 500 rupees, non-veg is 600 rupees అంటాడు. బిఫోర్ 7:15 లోపల వెళ్ళిన వాళ్ళకి. ఆఫ్టర్ 7:15 లో వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత వెళ్ళిన వాళ్ళకి ద బఫే సిస్టమ్ ఫర్ యువర్ ప్లేట్ ఈస్ వెజ్ ఈస్ 650 అండ్ నాన్ వెజ్ ఈస్ 850. సో ఇక్కడ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నాన్ వెజ్ తీసుకుందాం. సో బిఫోర్ 7:15 ద నాన్ వెజ్ ఈస్ 600 ఇయర్. 7:15 తర్వాత వెళ్తే ద నాన్ వెజ్ ఈస్ 850. సో ఎంత పెరిగింది? 650, 750, 200 రూపీస్ పెరిగింది, రైట్? సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద వేరియేషన్ టైమింగ్స్ యూ కెన్ సీ ఇన్ సమ్ సార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండస్ట్రీస్. ఇక్కడ మనం రెస్టారెంట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకున్నాం కాబట్టి ఇలా జరుగుతుంది. అంటే ఒక బఫే, అక్కడ ఇంకో కాన్సెప్ట్, యూ నో దట్ ఐ థింక్ ఇఫ్ ఎనీవన్ వెంట్, దట్ ఈస్ యూ కెన్ సే ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ నాట్ అవేర్. సో ఇఫ్ యూ గో అండ్ సిట్ దేర్, మీరు 7కి వచ్చి మీరు 9:30 కైనా వెళ్ళొచ్చు. మీన్స్ దట్ మచ్ అమౌంట్ అన్లిమిటెడ్ ఫుడ్ యూ కెన్ ఈట్. యూ హ్యావ్ every non item in that is other case. Okay, so like this you are having the second thing. The second one is high day rate. High day rate means the average rate prevailing 10 rupees per hour. A company has adopted high day rate of 12 rupees per hour. A worker who is working for 8 hours on a particular day will be paid 96 rupees. How they are calculating? See here, 8 hours into 12 hours, 96 rupees. That is the high day rate. The workers are paid at a high rate than the average wage. So that's why wages is equal to hourly work into high day rate. So వాళ్ళు చెప్పింది 10, but they are giving 12 rupees per day, high day అనమాట. డిమాండ్ ఉన్న రోజు 12 rupees పెట్టుకుంటే the wages are increasing. Graduated time. So this is increasing proportionately according to the living index. Differential rate. Differential time rates are fixed at different workers spending depending upon their efficiency and skills. Example, a company may fix different time rates for different workers on the basis of their given follows. For example, skilled worker ki em chesaru 14 rupees per hour istunaru, semi skilled worker ki 12 rupees istunaru, unskilled worker ki 10 rupees istunaru. This is also other way, that is a differential time rate. Chesedi oke pani, but separate chesi workers ni they are giving a different amount. So the person who are unskilled would improve chesukodaniki work ni, they will keep in the semi-skilled or skilled, they will increase the 2 rupees. These are the various methods. Next, coming to this piece rate system. Piece rate system. Here, specific wages are fixed per unit of output. Here, the increase in the overall production, no payment is made for idle time. Idle time lo unnappudu payment ivaru, only pani chesinappude payment istaru. No strict supervision is required. Why? ఎందుకంటే అందరూ ఎఫిషియెంట్గా చేస్తారు కాబట్టి టైంని పక్కన పెట్టుకొని, దేర్ ఇస్ నో సూపర్విజన్. డిసడ్వాంటేజెస్, క్వాలిటీ of output may suffer. Next, health of the workers may suffer due to the non-stop working. Wastage of material may increase because of workers try to do work faster. అంతే కదా, టైంతో పెట్టుకొని వర్క్ చేశారనుకోండి, వేస్టేజ్ ఆఫ్ మెటీరియల్ అవుతుంది, health of the workers may reduce, and the quality of output may problem. So under this piece rate system, you are having straight piece rate system. So ఇక్కడ ఏంటి, wages is equal to number of pieces produced into the rate per piece. అంటే ఏంటి, నార్మల్ పీస్ రేట్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫిక్స్డ్ ఈస్ అట్ 3 rupees అనుకోండి, వర్కర్స్ workers output for a particular day of 25 pieces, therefore 25 pieces into 25 pieces into 3 rupees, you are getting 75 rupees. Next, total differential piece rate. So here, what is an example? So in this, you are getting 100% or more work output, whereas in the piece rate, the high piece rate, that is 120% of normal rate. Third one is Merrick's multiple piece rate. Here the efficiency is 83% per piece rate, and above 83% up to 100%, you are getting 110%, 120% normal rate. Third one is combination of time and piece rate. Fourth one is a Hasley's premium plan. So in this Hasley's premium plan, so for calculating the wages under the Hasley's premium plan, total earnings of the worker is equals to T into R plus percentage S into T minus R, wages plus bonus, that is equal to time into rate per hour plus percentage of standard minus time taken into rate per hour plus wages plus incentives what they are giving. That is under Hasley's premium plan. So you'll get some problems in this Hasley's premium plan, but majority of the question papers you didn't get any problem. But if there, I will provide the problem some other case. Okay. So like this, you are having wage payments method. So the advantages and disadvantages. Formula, the same thing, the formula for the Hasley's premium plan. So problem was the e formula based on the problem was the I'll give in a separate doc file post you. So if you want to see the animation concept, what I have done, so I'll show you. Yeah, see this video. Hello, check. Yes. So this is one of the video, just like a demo video, what I have done for. So for example, if you want to get a career in this type of things, they will, instead of giving a verbal interview, they will ask where is your profile or for your any works ఏమైనా చేశారా. So if you want to go as a movie, as in a movies, as an artist, hero or heroines, first they will ask what, any skills, any videos, or in your portfolio, different stills with the by photographs, right? So if you see the second video, this will be more interesting. Yes.